What's going on, everybody? Meme coins right now are incredibly hot right now. We've just seen an 8x on a Cobra Tate tweet, which is absolutely insane. But in this video, I want to talk a little bit about Pepe and two more meme coins that I think could be very interesting to keep an eye on, as well as warning you about the risks attached to trading in those meme coins. All of that in this video. If you are interested, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, smash a like if you are hyped for the meme coin phase, and let's get into it. So currently, Pepe right now, I dropped a video earlier on. I'll leave that in the description. Go and check it out. We actually had a really nice run up on the 15-minute. We're consolidating around this 17.2 level, but a good push up from this kind of low 16s that we saw earlier on. So good news for anyone holding Pepe. Likewise, Memecoin, again, pushing up. Lots of big news coming for that. If you're in the Memecoin army, don't forget to subscribe as well. But what did I want to talk about in this video? Well, we're seeing a couple of coins come out right now that have piqued my interest, and we talked about this on my live stream. So Miladys, we know that Elon tweeted about this. This was the first meme coin really that Elon tweeted about pre-Pepe, which I think is very, very interesting. But this thing has just been going absolutely insane. It's up at $25 million in volume and a market capitalization of 150 million, which is pretty crazy to think about. And look at this trend line. It's just perfectly following this trend line with a big breakout on the 2-hour chart right now. So Miladys looks very, very solid. What is it all about? Ultimately, it's an anime meme coin. And there's an NFT project not associated with this, but it says that ladies may not be the meme coin Miladys want, but ladies is the meme coin Miladys need in these times of unbridled memic power. I'm going to break this down. It's not a review video by any stretch of the imagination, but look, I guess one to be mindful of, at $25 million in volume, and that's 50% up in the last 24 hours. Feels like this one is going in the right direction. Likewise, Smudge coin. Now, this one launched very recently, and again, this one going pretty insane as well, up around 461k, so not quite as much, and actually at market cap of 1.23 million could be a very interesting point. And the reason I bring these two up, iconic memes. They are iconic memes that we see out there. But ultimately, the charts are looking very, very bullish. If you look in the hourly, we see about 18k's worth of volume. So again, very, very interesting that we're starting to see these. And everyone right now is talking about Memecoin. So Memecoin, again, we discussed on my live stream. It's 4 p.m. Eastern every single day. But that chart is looking pretty good. Again, $383,000 in volume, $8.18 million market cap. Always difficult to predict what's going to be the next big thing. People looking for that next Pepe coin to really start to make a move. Always do your own research, understand it, but there are some great coins out there that you can get into and potentially even make some money. But there is also a risk attached to this. There's always a risk when investing in cryptocurrency, given the nature of it. And some of you definitely DM'd me early on. Some of you sent me a couple of messages. You were like, "Too bit, I don't understand a couple of these things." So obviously we see the number 3 trending coin right now, which is Pepe. The Pepe you know, the Pepe I know, the Pepe that we've been talking about on this channel. Now, there is also a Pepe coin, and for the average investor, look at this, $10 million worth of volume running through in the last 24 hours. And I guess there's 2 points why I wanted to take on this. A, understand why you are getting in. So we obviously know the Pepe coin that's on Binance. We're hoping that we get a Coinbase listing. We know that it's on Qcoin, Mexi, a number of others. Then we have Pepe coin, which ultimately is just a fake Pepe coin, dare I say it, which ultimately is launched under the brand, under the name. Everything is exactly the same. However, it has nothing to do with the original Pepe coin. Now, what's really interesting as well, when you start digging into this one, you can see it's got 1,300 holders. We can see the contract address that was produced, and it's got, again, nothing to do with the original Pepe coin. You see here, look, Pepe coin deployer. You might be thinking, okay, well, that's the same thing that I've seen. It's a very subtle change on the name. So you can see here that, again, this is to trick people into thinking this is the genuine Pepe, and this is why this one is pushing. And in fairness, $10 million, they've seemed to have done pretty well at it, but this is nothing to do with it. So what's the point of this? Ultimately, you can make money. I'm not saying in any way, shape or form that if you got into this early, you can make some money on this. However, be mindful, this is taking $10 million worth of volume away, potentially from the original Pepe, which for me has much more to go. Always be mindful of this. And again, be very careful in terms of what you're investing in. You can see this is an absolute pump and dump in its truest of senses, but it's probably going to make the deployer wallet a substantial amount of cash. I don't know what cash is, a substantial amount of cash. So always be mindful. And obviously, live new pairs is the craziest place in the world, but there are some great coins out there. Miladys is interesting. Definitely check that one out. If you want to see me start to cover that one, as well as maybe Smudge coin or any other cryptocurrency meme coin, drop it in the comments down below. We're looking for content all the time, and we would love to bring you the latest in meme coins. But let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button. If you are hyped on meme coin, don't forget, subscribe on your way out. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.